How to wire the back connect to DSC panels. First, power down the DSC panel. To do so, disconnect the battery. Then unplug the transformer. Next, you should mount the back connect to the wall. Place it near a security panel. Mark the holes for drilling. Drill in the mounting screws. Be careful not to over-tighten the wall tamper screw in the center. Now we can wire the back connect. Connect the green wire to GRN data in. Connect the yellow wire to YEL data out. Connect the black wire to BLK negative. Connect the red wire to red positive. Connect tip and ring on the back connect. Connect red wire to ring terminal. Connect the green wire to tip terminal. Next, we'll wire the DSC panel. Connect the red wire to red positive. Connect the black wire to BLK negative. Connect the yellow wire to YEL data out. Connect the green wire to GRN data in. Connect tip and ring on the DSC panel. Connect red wire to ring terminal. Connect the green wire to tip terminal. It's time to power up the DSC panel. Reconnect the DSC battery. Plug the transformer back in. The back connect is now wired to the DSC panel.